What you think? What you think? I can only move one at a time. Can you guys move both? It's like dry shampoo can only bring you so far, you know? Buona giornata and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be playing with the new Fenty brow products. I definitely have some thoughts, so definitely stay and just, it'll be interesting, okay? But I'm very excited about these. There are 14 shades coming out. It is $20. It says that it is transfer proof. It's supposed to be ultra fine tip for hair-like precision styling brush for effortless blending. So the brush was definitely what I was most excited about with this product. I'm not gonna say too much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Please don't forget to subscribe before we get started. I try to upload at least 3 to 4 times a week and bring you all the new stuff. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I have my I don't give a sip cup because I'm so scared to film this video. I am by no way a brows person. Just know that. I don't think I've never done my brows on camera in the, gosh, year and a half I've been doing YouTube. Like, I despise brows. Like, I'm looking at them right now and I'm just like, ah. Like maybe Halloween, but that's it. So just know that this is tough for me in general. And I am no expert, so don't, just be nice, okay? Let's be kind to one another in the comment section. So I'm gonna zoom you in and we are going to try this out. I am most excited for this little baby brush on the end. Like, usually you have just like a normal spoolie, and this is so cute. It's like a little tiny toothbrush, it's kind of like the Artiste brushes, but like the miniaturest size ever. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. All right, the dogs and I are bringing you this clip. So this eye has the auburn shade, which is what I went with, and then this side is actually the dark auburn. So I don't know why, I just like this side a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can even tell. The difference is gross. Breast thanks. I feel like before it's like, why does this girl come into the store? She looks like shit every time she comes in. What does she spend money on makeup for? But anyways, these are the swatches, nice and close up in natural sunlight so you guys can see. That top one is actually the auburn shade and the dark one is below. But I just wanted you guys to see that they are, like the auburn shades are a little bit warmer, whereas like all the browns, the soft brown, the light brown, like they're all so cool toned and neutral. So I mean, some people don't care as long as it looks semi-decent. I mean, I'm obviously no eyebrow expert. I hate brows. So I just want to show you guys what the difference was between the two if you were wondering. And again, those are the swatches. All right, so these are my brows with no product on. I don't know if you guys are like me at all, but I generally, the eyebrows, I don't wash them out every night, like with remover and stuff, just because I'm lazy and I like that I have like that nice outline the next day, and then I might just fill in where I need to. So I always hate going in after I've like completely like removed everything else. I think I just have a freckle right there. I'm like, what is that? So this is my good eyebrow. This is my bad eyebrow. What I mean by that is like, let's go ahead and brush them. Like this one, the hairs like point out that way. And like this one, I can do like the nice little like standing up in the front. Like, see how nice that one is compared to like, you can't do that with this one. They don't want to do that. Everyone has a good brow, I guess, and a bad brow. But this one is my good one. So the brush thing, I mean, it feels nice. I wouldn't say like it feels necessarily any different than a spoolie. I mean, it feels a little softer, but I'm not like getting a different effect. You know what I mean? It's just kind of, it's nice. Okay, and then here we have the twist up. So you just take the cap off. It has the color kind of right there. I'm not gonna lie, the packaging kind of reminds me of like ColourPop. I'm not gonna twist it all the way because I'm scared it's gonna break, but there's a little over, it's a pretty good amount of product. I'm like, no, don't break. This is $20 pencil. I can't afford a new one, But I would say if you're looking at it, that's why I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it on sale. But you can see it's a very, very fine, like, reminds me just of like a normal brow pencil. I generally I'll show you guys products that I usually use, but this isn't usually what I would use. Ugh. Okay. I just wanted to see side by side if there was any, like if I could, I'll say the spoolie just feels a little bit more harsh on your eyebrows, whereas like the Fenty one just feels a little softer. It's a little, you know, so it's a little bit more pleasant. Really, okay. It keeps coming out, which is going to drive me a little nuts. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna twist it back down. I'm gonna have to like push it back in. So that's not the best start. But like I did use these in store, so I kind of have an idea. I'm just gonna kind of draw a line underneath. Like I said, don't take brow tips from me. Too, I feel like brows are so personal. Like the lady was just so like, this is your color. And it was like the lightest brown. And I was like, that's not my color. You don't know me and my brows. Like, because I think she didn't want to open the boxes because they weren't out to like swatch yet. I kind of just jump around. So I'm just going to fill in my tail. I don't want a too dramatic brow. I will say the actual pencil, like it's very firm. It's not a creamy formula. It's a very firm formula, which is good because at least the tip isn't going to break off. You know what I mean? So that's the nice thing about formulas like this, but just so you know, it's definitely not going to be like a creamy type texture. All right, I feel like I need to fill that in a little bit more. I will generally go in with powder or like a brow, like a brow thingy, a brow gel. I was like, what am I trying to say? But usually pencils, I don't just go in with just a pencil. Like I kind of just fill in the sparse areas, kind of try to flick it up a little bit, and voila. And then what I will do, not that it looks bad on its own, but I still feel like I want the tail to be a little bit darker, like, but it looks nice. I like this color. I feel like it matched me well. And this is the shade Auburn, which I know is weird, but they were very cool tone browns. So you guys will see Auburn versus dark brown. You'll see, you know, obviously in the clip. But this shade, I feel like the browns were just so cool tone. And I don't know. I mean, I guess it just depends on your brow preference, but I didn't necessarily like that. All right, so now I'm going to grab this Kat Von D in Walnut. So I would highly recommend if you're looking for brow products, these are now on sale for $10, plus you get the 20% off. I think they're being discontinued. And I love the product of these. Like, it looks really weird when you swatch it because it's got shimmer in it, but it's actually a really good product. And you can never see the shimmer like through my eyebrow. But there's just something about them. I really like the texture, and I like her pomade because it's nice and soft. All right, see what I mean? So I kind of like that lighter into darker. So I do like the shade that I chose for the pencil. The pencil just completely broke off. It just completely, it's gone. I don't know how I feel about this because this is the brow pencil. And I'm like, for $20, what the fuck? Like, why? Why right now? So I'm going to put it back in here. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye and then we will talk. All right, so brows are on, which for me, this is like a win for every day that I do my brows. I'm like, it's the one thing where it's like, no matter where I'm going, Walmart, wherever, I'm like, I need brows. Like, so to me, it's not the eyes or the nipples or the face, it's the eyebrows. At least they say like you generally try to be a human today for me. So I'm gonna go in with this cookie highlight as well. I know it's not part of the brow thing, but I got this on the sale since they now sell individuals of it. And everyone kept saying like, it's not too light for you, even though I was like, I don't think that's gonna work for me. So I've been dying to like try it out, and I figured why not try it out with you guys, but they are available as individuals now at Sephora. Do I have a brush? And two, it's getting my mind off of the fact of what just happened. Like, I don't know. I'm not used to like silver highlights. I think that's what it is. I usually go with goldy highlights. So I just don't know if I like the tone of this. But I love how intense it is. I love the formula. It's like almost like a little jelly, like a gel-like formula. I hate these Benefit boxes though. I really don't like, I don't like the box type thing. So overall though, I like the way my brow looks. Like I don't mind the way that they turned out. It's the actual like product. I'm gonna zoom you out and we'll talk. All right, my hair is mostly dry shampoo, so it's just not working out today. So happy it's Friday. But anyways, so so I went and looked at different brow products to see if this was, I mean, this is a $20 pencil. I'm really hoping that it was just like, I just got a defective one and that's not just how they all are. I mean, I did use them in store and that didn't happen to me, and I'm definitely not like, I don't want to not like the product. I like the product, but the packaging, if that's what's going to happen every time, like it's already fallen out of my thing now 3 times and it's the first day I got it, and it's just going to drive me crazy. And I'm going to end up flinging that thing across the room one day and I'm not going to know where it is. So to me, $20 is a lot to pay for something that's not, you know, that's not going to last long at all, because, and the packaging is just faulty is what I'm trying to say. I can't really recommend to you $20 to use on a product that broke on me the first time. So like I was saying, I mean, I do love that this is like, has this little thing to distinguish between the pencil side. I like the little toothbrushy thing. It's a lot softer than a spoolie. It does the same exact thing, it's just softer. So would I say it's like the revolutionary, like you need it for this little brush? No, but it's a cute little brush. And to be honest, even when you know, run out of the pencil, at least you could, you know, I would just save this part and use it, because I like that it's a softer texture, but it's not anything that's gonna like change the way you do your brows really, or at least I felt like. And looking at other brow products, there are a lot of expensive ones. What I do like about this one is the pencil is stiffer, so I thought it wouldn't break off, but maybe it's too stiff. Not dirty way. But I really love the Urban Decay pencils, the microblading ones, and I like the waterproof side and I like the little felt tip side. I've been really into these lately, except for they bleed on me when I work out, so I kind of have to wear stuff like this more often, because this I look awful, like I just have crap running down my face and it's just bad. So I do really like this product. It says that it's transfer proof, and because I had to take it off before from going to the store, like it definitely didn't come off easily, and it's not transferring onto my finger at all, which I like. You know, that means it's going to last like a good amount of time. But yeah, I can't recommend it because I'm just like, what if they're all like that? You know, this is gonna really, I'm gonna definitely go back to the store and either try to exchange it, not try, I mean, I just bought it an hour ago, you know, but I'm a little angry because I'm like, what? $20 packaging wise as well. It doesn't have any weight to it, so I would just say it's a product. Like if you need a brow pencil, look into it, but I can't really 100% recommend this to you because of the way it broke off. I'm just hoping and keeping my fingers crossed that it doesn't happen again, but I will definitely update you guys. But I wouldn't say it's anything revolutionary. I think you can still find a good brow product at the drugstore. That's just my 2 cents. It's not anything where I'm like, you definitely need this. So that is it for me. Please let me know if you guys are going to be picking these up. Also the shade ranges, I will say I like the auburn shades. They just worked better for me. The browns were all so cool toned, so I preferred the auburn shades. So completely your preference, but just so you know ahead of time, she did come out with 14 shades, which was nice. I didn't get to swatch all of them. I think the Sephora lady was like, she didn't even know they were coming out today, so she was a little flustered and she was a little bit like, get out of my store. But that's okay. Let me know your guys' thoughts, but at this point, yeah, I can't really recommend it to you right now. So that is it from me. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you like these types of videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.